हेलो दोस्तों, अगर डिक्टेशंस पसंद आएँ तो लाइक, शेयर और सब्सक्राइब ज़रूर कर दीजिएगा। अगर आप इस चैनल पे नए हैं तो लाल रंग का सब्सक्राइब बटन है, बेल के साथ दबा दीजिएगा ताकि आपको आने वाली डिक्टेशंस टाइम टू टाइम समय पे मिल सकें। थैंक यू। Start. Heard, learned counsel for the petitioner and learned standing counsel for the state, full stop para. The skeletal facts are that a tender was invited by the respondents to repair different roads in district Mathura, full stop. The amount of the said work is not mentioned deliberately to avoid complications, full stop. The tender of the petitioner was accepted, full stop. The respondent issued a letter of acceptance with a clause that total security along with stamp duty should be deposited within 10 days, full stop. The petitioner wrote to the respondents that he is supposed to pay stamp duty as per Article 57B Schedule 1B of the Stamp Act, and for a period of 8 months no work order was passed, full stop para. It is in these circumstances that the matter assume importance. As such, the demand would have been made by the executive engineers of each district as this issue had arisen before this court before 1.5 decades, but it appears that the authorities concerned have not shown that the said decision is binding on them, as a similar issue came before this court before 3 years and the judgment was struck down as it was beyond the jurisdiction of the authorities to demand the stamp duty beyond Article 57 in bracket B Schedule 1B of the Stamp Act, full stop para. With these factual data, this writ petition is taken up for disposal today as it is covered by the decision of this court, and further waste of time during this pandemic of COVID-19 would cause loss to the public and exchequer, full stop para. Despite the decisions of this court way back in the year 2000 in the case of Messrs. Strong Construction versus State of UP and others in bracket Civil Miscellaneous Writ Petition number 35096 of 2004, decided on 22/3/2005 (2005) in bracket 2 AWC 2058, by the division bench of this court, and the recent oral order of this court in writ C number 52385 of 2015 in bracket Messrs. Kishan Traders versus State of UP and two others bracket out, dated 18/7/2017, it appears that the authorities have demanded from the petitioner what is known as stamp duty, full stop para. It is not the question whether the amount is only rupees 16,670, full stop. It will have a lot of further repercussions as submitted by the learned counsel for the petitioner, as letter of acceptance was subjective, full stop para. Though the petition is belated, this court has not been made aware whether the contract has already been executed or not, full stop. No such averments are made, and for 9 months what is the progress is not known, full stop para. As far as demand of stamp duty is concerned, it is covered by the decision of the division bench of this court in case of Messrs. Kishan Traders in bracket Supra, full stop. The High Court in case of Messrs. Strong Construction in bracket Supra had issued a writ of mandamus way back in the year 2005, which read as follows: para. We also issue a writ of mandamus commanding the respondents not to compel the petitioners and similarly situate persons, whether they have filed writ petition or not, to pay stamp duty on security deposit in question, treating as mortgage deed, and further to charge stamp duty on such securities as provided under Article 57 in bracket B Schedule 1B of the Stamp Act, full stop over. तो फ्रेंड्स, ये हो गया है 120 की स्पीड में, ठीक है, विद फ्लक्चुएशन। और जो भी इस चैनल पर नए हो उसे सब्सक्राइब करें चैनल को और अपने कमेंट्स बताएं। देखिए, नाम की जो प्रॉब्लम है ना, वो मैटर में आती है। अब क्या जजमेंट घर से तो हम लिखते नहीं हैं, है ना, वो तो जो हाई कोर्ट देता है, जो भी जजमेंट आती है वो पब्लिश होती है, उसी की डिक्टेशन चलती है, चाहे कोचिंग हो या यूट्यूब के चैनल में जो देते हैं वो जैसे हम दे रहे हैं। तो नाम का इशू किसी ना किसी मैटर में आता है, ठीक है। तो वो इसको इतना बड़ा मत बनाइए कि आप मैटर चूज़ करें, मैटर चूज़ मत किया करिए। नाम नहीं आ रहा उसकी प्रैक्टिस करिए, ठीक है। मैं तो बस यही सजेशन दूंगा ना। मैं अब जजमेंट खोजना बिना नाम का ये मुश्किल काम होता है, ओके। तो जो भी जजमेंट आता है उसको लिखिए, नहीं लिखाएगा प्रैक्टिस होगी और क्या। ज़रूरी थोड़े ना है कि हर समय आप जो है कंफर्टेबल फील करवाएं अपने आप को, ठीक है ना। तो इसको आपको खुद मेंटेन करना पड़ेगा, क्योंकि जब हम लोग भी प्रैक्टिस करते थे तो नाम के लिए हम लोग अपने कोच से या टीचर से ये नहीं कहते थे कि सर ये नाम बहुत ज़्यादा है, इस मैटर को मत बोलिए, ठीक है। ये इशू तो होना ही नहीं चाहिए बिल्कुल भी कंपटीशन के बंदे के लिए। तो इसको आप लोग जो भी नाम में दिक्कत आती है उसको आप देख लो, अंडरलाइन कर लो, उसको प्रैक्टिस करो। हर नाम की प्रैक्टिस करनी चाहिए हमारे हिसाब से, ठीक है। तो चलिए फिर क्रिमिनल मैटर का डिक्टेशन शुरू करते हैं। तो फ्रेंड्स चलिए शुरू करते हैं 6वें मिनट से, ठीक है। टाइम होने वाला है। Start. These criminal miscellaneous applications under section 482 CRPC have been filed for quashing of the order dated 5/6/2015 passed by First Additional Sessions Judge Dehradun full stop. The said order was passed in exercise of powers under section 319 CRPC on an application filed by the prosecution whereby the applicants were summoned to face trial for an offence punishable under section 302 read with section 34 IPC full stop. Para. The facts leading to the present applications in a nutshell are as under para. Quote. 1. Mr. Tarun Kumar in bracket brother of the deceased bracket out lodged an FIR on 2/2/2014 at police station Dalanwala, Sadar, Dehradun against 6 accused including the applicants herein for the offence punishable under section 302 IPC full stop. It was alleged that on 2/2/2014 at about 3:40 pm the accused persons namely Manoj, Bablu, Ankit, Nilwa, Sandeep and Bunty had beaten up the deceased Nitin Kumar near the river. When Nitin Kumar ran away to save his life, then the accused persons stopped him at Ratan Chowk, Nala Pani Road and stabbed him in the chest full stop. The complainant stated in the FIR that he witnessed the said incident full stop. Mr. Tarun Kumar in his statement under section 161 CRPC also named all the 6 persons as accused full stop. However, the investigating officer submitted charge sheet under section 302 read with section 34 IPC against only 2 persons namely Manoj Kumar and Ajay Verma alias Bunty and name of other accused persons were excluded full stop. D quote para. During trial, Mr. Tarun Kumar in bracket complainant was examined as PW1 full stop. In his examination in chief, Mr. Tarun Kumar categorically stated that all the 6 persons named in the FIR had beaten up his brother Nitin and further that applicants had surrounded his brother Nitin with Manoj, stabbed him in his chest full stop. In cross-examination also he reiterated that he had named all the 6 persons in the FIR full stop para. Based on the statement of the complainant during trial, prosecution moved an application under section 319 CRPC for summoning the applicants full stop. Learned Additional Sessions Judge allowed the said application wide order dated 5/6/2015 full stop. This order has been put to challenge in both these criminal miscellaneous applications full stop para. Heard learned counsel for the parties and perused the record full stop para. Section 319 CRPC is extracted below para quote. Power to proceed against other persons appearing to be guilty of offence first, where in the course of any inquiry into or trial or an offence it appears from the evidence that any person not being the accused has committed any offence for which such person could be tried together with the accused, comma, the court may proceed against such person for the offence which he appears to have committed, full stop, para. Second, where such person is not attending the court, he may be arrested or summoned as the circumstances of the case may require for the purpose aforesaid, full stop, para. Third, any person attending the court, although not under arrest or upon a summons, may be detained by such court for the purpose of the inquiry into or trial of the offence which he appears to have committed, full stop, over. तो चलिए फिर नेक्स्ट डिक्टेशन में मिलते हैं. ओके, थैंक यू.